In this session, we're going to talk about how to organize our Google Docs with what are called collections. When you start using Google Docs, you'll see that they appear here in a list. And they generally are by last opened or last modified. You can modify the sort up here with the sort button. And you can see a last modified, last opened by me, title. So depending on how you want to organize them, you can have those options. You can also come here and search for a Google Doc. But after a while, when you start getting a lot of Google Docs, this becomes overwhelming and you want to get some organization. And what Google gives us for that is called collections. And you'll see here under My Collections, different ones that I've already created. So for example, I could come here with customer service and I can see all of the documents that I have added to this collection called customer service. Likewise, Gmail project, MMRs, different ones. So to create a collection, I come here to the Create button, down to Collection, and I'm going to call this one for training purposes. And then I hit OK. And it's now listed over here in alphabetical order. I could right mouse button click on it and change the color so I can make it distinctive if I desire. And then to put documents into this collection or this folder, I could just simply find the documents. Like if I want this one, I can click and drag for training over here. And then possibly down here, feedback request. I can drag that over here. And I'm adding those documents to this collection. Now, another powerful part of collections is the ability to share a collection. So I can come here, hit the down arrow, go down to share, and I want to share this, and I can add the name. So I could add training and maybe Dante, and let's say Don, and then I can set what level of permission do I want them to have to this folder and to the contents of this folder. So I'm going to, and then I can add a message. And then when I hit share and save, Google will then send an email to Dante, to Don, and to the training account, letting them know that I've shared this collection. The really cool piece is later on, if I want to add another document, like here I have one called video instructions, I can click and hold, drag and drop onto this, and it automatically allows Dante and Don in training to be able to see this document and work with it. So another application for this is if you have a folder that used to be a public folder, but it was only reserved for certain people, then you can use the ability to share and then share it with that group of people instead of the entire APU community. You will also notice under share, there's the option to always email collaborators. So if you've made some updates and you want to notify them, you can hit the email collaborators, let them know you've made an update. If you have any questions about how to use collections or Google Docs, please feel free to contact IMT Training Services at training@apu.edu, and have a great day.